Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about a classic yet trendy hairstyle, big cornrow braids. This style is not only stylish but also a great protective option for natural hair. Big cornrow braids are a fantastic way to protect your natural hair from damage caused by heat, styling, and daily manipulation. They keep your hair neat, tidy, and minimizes breakage. This style is incredibly versatile. You can wear it in various ways, from sleek and simple to bold and colorful. You can accessorize with beads, ribbons, or scarf to add a personal touch. Once your braids are done, they require minimal maintenance. You can simply refresh your scalp with a hydrating spray and avoid excessive manipulations. Before getting your braids done, ensure your hair is clean and detangled. You can also use a pre-poo treatment to add moisture and protect your hair. While it's best to have your braids done by a professional hairstylist, you can also try braiding your own hair with practice. Start with smaller sections of hair and gradually increase the size as you get more comfortable. You can style your big cornrow braids in various ways, such as sleek and straight. Use hair gel to keep your braids smooth and sleek. Tie your braids into a high ponytail for a sporty and chic look. Create a half up, half down style by pinning the top section of your braids. Experiment with different braided updos like bones and twists. Keep your scalp healthy by regularly cleansing it with a gentle shampoo or a scalp cleanser. You can also use a hydrating hair oil to keep your scalp moisturized. To protect your braids while you sleep, wrap your hair in a satin scarf or bonnet. This will reduce friction and prevent breakage. When it's time to take down your braids, be gentle to avoid damaging your hair. You can detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb and apply a deep conditioning treatment to restore moisture. By following these tips, you can make your hair healthy and beautiful. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips. Thank you for watching.